Hello, my name is Craig Fisher, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can find more information about our Summer Discovery program on our website, lacountylibrary.org, or by visiting your local library location. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own mini biodome. A biodome is a contained, sustainable environment with enough resources for organisms to survive. Scientists use these models to study ecosystems and the essential interactions between plants and animals and non-living materials. This biodome can help you learn about the water cycle and the difference between evaporation and transpiration. Included in this kit is a cup with a lid, a bag of soil, and seeds. What you will need to provide yourself are enough small stones to fill the floor of the cup, some water, and a couple of pieces of tape to close the top of the cup. First, get the bottom of the cup in the stones. Put the stones in the cup. The stones should form a single layer at the bottom of the cup. This will allow a space for water. Now, pour your bag of dirt carefully into the cup, almost right to the brim. Press down on the dirt until it forms a flat surface. Now it's planting time. Take a look at the back of your bag of seeds. It will tell you how many to plant in each hole, usually 2 or 3. My kit came with spinach seeds, so I will put 3 on each hole. Now imagine there is a triangle at the top of the cup. Press your pinky down in the dirt to your first knuckle at each point of the triangle. Make sure not to touch the wall of the cup. Drop your seeds carefully in each hole and cover them up. And now the science begins. Take the bottom of your cup and a bottle of water. Very carefully add just enough water, perhaps just 2 or 3 bottle caps, to the cup of dirt and seeds. This should be just enough water to cover the layer of stones and no more. This will form an aquifer for our biodome. An aquifer is a body of permeable rock which can contain or transmit groundwater. Permeable defines a material that allows liquids or gas to pass through it. Take a couple of pieces of tape and place them across the circle at the top of the cup. After you place the biodome in sunlight, condensation will form on the inside lid of the dome. This is the result of evaporation. Evaporation is the process of surface water absorbing heat energy from the sun or from warm air and changing from a liquid to a gas. Liquid water evaporates to become gas, called water vapor. After a couple of weeks, you should have some healthy sprouts. This is when transpiration takes place. Transpiration is the process by which plants release the water inside them in moisture or water vapor. Roots consume some amount of the water from the soil, and the rest evaporates in the atmosphere. In our experiment, we will be observing whether there is more condensation gathered beneath the inside of the lid during evaporation or after transpiration takes place. Evaporation and transpiration are important parts of the water cycle. The water cycle, or hydrologic cycle, is the process by which water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land, involving precipitation as rain and snow, drainage in streams and rivers, and the return to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. Now that everything is in place, find your biodome a warm spot in indirect sunlight, and don't forget to keep an eye on it. Once your sprouts get too big, it is time to pop that top and replant in a larger container or outside garden. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at a library location near you or online at lacountylibrary.org. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.